Hello YouTube, Gadget is here, and today I would like to show how I sharpen the knife, any blade. For that you will definitely need a sharpening stone. Placing the knife on the sharpening stone under required angle and moving the blade over the stone requires certain experience, so you would maintain the perfect angle. I can't do it, so forget this. This is a sharpening system which I made just for the purpose of maintaining perfect angle between the knife blade and the sharpening stone throughout the entire sharpening motion. It consists of three pieces: the T-shaped base, the arm with three chain drives inside, 1, 2, and 3. These are housings for the chain drives, and those are assembled with the precision ball bearings, and the jaws, adjustable angle jaw that holds the knife. The sharpening procedure is very simple. Set the sharpening stone of your choice in the vise. Select the angle. There are angle marks right here. There are 4 marks: 15, 17, 20, 25, and 30 degrees. Once you set up the angle by pressing the jaws against those marks and holding it while you lock the angle by using these 2 screws, and you're ready to do the sharpening. Set the blade in the jaws. Place the blade on the sharpening stone and find position. Actually, it will itself find the position where the blade is in full contact with the surface of the sharpening stone. It comes back to the same position. Gravity takes it back. So as long as you are on a straight portion of the blade, all you need to do is move it back and forth to remove the material. Once you get to the curved portion of the edge, which starts somewhere here, start turning the knife. And that's a very simple motion, and that's all you do. You do not need to watch for the angle, because the angle remains constant throughout the entire sharpening motion. Once you're done with one side, flip it over to another side and repeat the process. Set on a flat, straight portion of the blade so it would sit flat on the sharpening stone, and work the blade in the same 2-step motion, which is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Once you're done, wash the blade and remove the finest burr with the leather belt. That's it. You just work it on the leather belt and the knife would be razor sharp with the perfect edge, especially visible on a black blade. So it's black and white, very sharp contrast. Thank you for watching, and please visit my website gadgetguide.net for more information.